Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make lamb pasties. Let's prepare the pastry first. Some all-purpose flour or plain flour. Add a little salt to the flour. Sift flour and salt into the bowl. Transfer them into the food processor. Cold unsalted butter, cut it into small cubes before adding to the food processor. When you see the fine crumbs, sprinkle room temperature water over the crumbs. Mix to stiff paste. Then transfer to the flour table. Quickly knead until it's smooth and crack-free. Wrap in cling film. Let it rest in the fridge for at least 3 hours. While waiting, I will make the pasty filling. Chop the small yellow onion, then transfer to the mixing bowl. Prepare the parsnip, then add them to the same mixing bowl. Cube the lamb leg. For the seasoning, I will add a little black pepper, a little paprika, ground cumin, cumin seeds, some salt. Mix them, the filling is done. My recipe is enough to make 4 pasties, so equally divide the dough into 4 pieces. Roll out the pastry to 3 mm thickness and make an oval shape. Add a quarter of the filling we made to each pasty. Make sure the edge is around 1.5 cm. Fold oval in half over filling to form semicircles. Press edges well together to seal. Adjust the shape. This is how I crimp the pasties. Preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Brush the egg wash. Make the vent to each pasty. I like to sprinkle some black sesame seeds, but this is optional. Bake them for 30 to 40 minutes until you see the golden color. Time is up, let's check them. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients to make 4 pasties, so each pasty cost me $3. The pastry is flaky and the lamb is quite tender. I'm going to enjoy them with some HP sauce. Thanks for watching my video.